Hey everyone, Crowbar here, Crystal.
Hello.
The purple-haired lunch lady. This is Cooking with Crowbar. I'm glad you joined. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps us out. We're up to 362 subscribers so far. I am excited about that. That means a lot to me. It's not easy making these videos. It's not easy finding the time to be able to stop to cook your own meal. I understand that. But to make a video with it, it's really difficult. But we still maintain and manage to get it done. So, did I say what we're cooking yet?
No.
Garlic and Parmesan chicken wings.
And onion rings.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
So let's get to it. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do so. Leave a like for the video, comment below. All right, everyone, I have to shoot at this angle here. So we have our Tyson chicken. We got a tray to set them out because I want to clean them and air dry, or not air dry, but pat them dry. And a Parmesan cheese. Of course, I have gloves for cleanliness. Parmesan garlic seasoning, Parmesan garlic wing sauce. There's our onion rings. This is going to be really good, so stick around. Now, I'm only going to put a glove on my left hand because I am right-handed. It's time to cut some chicken. Like I said, improvise. Okay, so here we go. So you want to cut your chicken. Oh, my finger. No, I'm good.
Yes, since the cleaver is buried.
Find the tendon where they separate. You got your first piece of chicken. Just find a joint, get in between it. Cut it off. There's your wing. That's going to be nice. There's plenty of chicken wings right there.
Yes, it is. A lot of chicken for a whole meal under $20, people.
The fridge, because I had a subscriber ask where we keep our food. So there's the fridge. It's right there. Here's the eggs.
I think you only need a couple.
Crack it.
It's not going to take much, honey.
Crack it.
Awesome. Not a lot
So, to let everybody know, this chicken, each packet was like $6.70, okay? And the seasoning was like $1.98. And no, the seasoning was 98 cents, I'm sorry. The sauce was $1.98. The onion rings was, what was it?
I don't remember.
Like under $4?
Under $4, yeah.
So this is under 20 bucks. Do the math. Hold up.
Okay. Okay. Good for now?
Come on.
Okay.
So, want to shake it really good. Okay, so.
Look at that. Oh, it smells good already too.
Lay that like that. I hope you guys stuck around while I was handling my meat. First one. That chicken look good? Should I do it in the light? Oh yeah. Oh. Yep. So here's the second batch. It got some seasoning on it, but a lot of it got on the first one, so still be good. Don't forget, we have the sauce to go on them. I don't know if these are any good. We'll try it. I'm gonna air fry the chicken and air fry the onion rings, but first, before I do that, I'm gonna preheat the oven, okay, to at least 400, because I'm gonna do the chicken at 375 for 15 minutes, flip them, and then do it for 12 more minutes at 375. So I want to make sure it's done because I'm not playing around out here. I don't want to get sick. What are you doing? He's such a show off. She winked at everybody. 3, 2, and 1. Done. My God. Goddamn mids, I hate these things. All right, that's what they look like so far. All right, so I have them flipped over. This ain't so hot now. That's what it looks like flipped over. Nice and steamy. So we'll put them back in the oven. It's still hot inside. We'll go ahead and hit air fry again. 375, like I said. Hit start, 510, 1, 2. 12 minutes, remember? Hit start. Then it'll finish cooking. Like I said, I'll check them. I'll take a fork, break them open. If they're not done all the way, then I'll hit them with 400 degrees for 5 minutes. It smells really good in here. So pretty soon it's gonna be dinner time. I can't wait. Don't know. Man's man.
What have you done? Thank you.
Dead. This is the generic version of barbecue sauce. It's great value. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's like. Holy crap. But, you know, holy, oh. What? I'm just gonna do this. Why would they put hard plastic on there like this?
There's scissors right there under that.
So, you know, cut it. Pretty simple. All right, so I'm gonna give her that. Smells pretty good. Yeah. So I'll just for $1.98. Damn. Go out and get some of this.
Really?
Whoa. Finger looking good, I'm telling you. Here.
Oh yeah.
That good?
Yes. Very good.
So when you buy the wing sauce, pay attention to the label because it'll have peppers here, right? I didn't pay attention because I like hot stuff, but she's complaining. It's a 1 pepper, see? 1 pepper, 1 pepper. It's mild, for crying out loud. I think it's really good.
I think it's got a little zip to it.
You hungry? This thing has not kicked off once ever since I plugged it into the truck's outlet, so good deal. Let's take it out and see. It's gonna be freaking hot. Ugh. I can hear her sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle. So I'll leave the tray in there. I'll just bring that out. Oh. It smells good. The power of the chicken wings. Chicken wings and onion rings. That has a kick to it. Chicken wings and onion rings. Yeah. Here, check it out. Here, check it out. Look at that. That not beautiful? Check it out. All right, so I'm gonna take a chicken one, thick one out. Go to the bone. Still a little red. Little red, it's pink. So what we'll do is we'll throw her back in 400 degrees, 5 minutes. It's been a long video because I have 2 other batches to cook. This is enough to go ahead and get started. After the wings are done, I'm gonna throw in Red Robin's onion rings. Those are good. So, those are on the tray, the ventilated tray, which I modified to make it more ventilating. Yeah, it's a word, look it up.
It's a word because you said it.
Yeah. Poor Bella's sitting up there like, oh, it smells so good. I'll just lay here and act like I'm not affected by it because I want all that chicken.
She tried sneaking over here already.
2 minutes to go on 400 degrees. Still hasn't kicked off. Doing really good. I need more subscribers. Hey, if you're subscribing to this channel, don't forget we also have a Facebook page, same title as the YouTube channel. Feel free to join, share your food, videos of what you're cooking or whatever. That's the whole purpose of it, whatever. That's the whole purpose of it. So now, time to burn the pink. Oh yeah, they look like they're done. 400 degrees.
Don't burn your fingers.
Son of a bitch! Why is it that I always don't listen? Okay, so air frying it for 400 degrees for 5 more freaking minutes because it's just almost done.
Color's looking good on them though too, so can't complain with that.
Hopefully that, oh yeah, chicken's done. So now we want to take the bowl of sauce. Hey, wooden spoon. So then just take it. Coat them. Oh.
Left some of the sauce out to reserve for dipping our onion rings in.
I want to take the onion rings, throw them on the same said little tray with the legs on it. Air fry. 400 it said. Start. We'll do 12 minutes. There she goes. And here's my dishes, people. This is how I do my dishes, right? My cooking pans and everything, I just throw them away. Onion rings are done. Oh, they're sizzling good.
Are they crispy?
I don't know. All right, folks, here you have it. Parmesan and garlic chicken wings and onion rings. Wings and rings. I'm gonna do her taste test.
Those are hot.
Well, they just came out of the oven.
Oh yeah.
That sounded crunchy.
Ooh,
They good?
so good. Oh.
Oh, there you have it. She's eating. Let's see. I want to try the chicken first. Whoa, son of a... Go. Oh, it hurts so bad, it's good. Oh my God. Well, truck stop. No more getting wings off of you. I'll do it myself. That's good. Okay. Don't forget to lick them.
Yes.
And then, what we did, saved a little bit of the sauce for these bad boys. Let's see. Yeah.
Good idea.
Hey, look. Double dipping.
That's good.
That's why I came over this way. So there you have it, folks. Make your own food on the road, in the truck. It is possible.
Two thumbs up.
Come up with some.
2 dirty thumbs up right here.
Come up with some good ideas for yourself. And believe it or not, all that was under $20.
Yep.
So with that being said, I'm going to get back to eating because that was pretty damn good. Keep all 18 wheels on the road. Stay in your lane.
And don't text and drive. Don't do it.
She's delayed. Later, dudes and dudettes or guys. Later, guys.